Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will learn about the Fibonacci series. So what the Fibonacci series is, it will start with the numbers at 0 and 1, and after that all of the number will be the addition of the two previous numbers. Like if the first number is 0 and second number is 1, the third number will be 0 plus 1, it is 1, and the next number will be 1 plus 1 will be 2, and the next number will be 2 plus 1 3, and after that the number will be the addition of 2 plus 3, that is 5, and then the number will come 5 plus 3, that will be 8, and 8 plus 5 will be 13. So that's how the series will keep on going. So let's say I have to print this Fibonacci series by using the Java code. So what I have to do, I have two integer a, and integer a, let's say it is starting at 0 because the first number is 0, and the integer b, I'm starting at number 1, right? So after that I can apply a for loop. After that, if I will apply a for loop, I have another integer, and the integer is integer I, that I want to start at number 2. And now what will happen, that this I should be less than the total number of the Fibonacci series that I want to print. Let's say I want to print only 10 numbers, so it should be less than 10, and then I plus plus, and after that I have to take one more integer as, let's say, next number, and this next number should be what? It should be the addition of the two numbers. Which two numbers? That is been given, like a and b. Now if it is the addition of these two numbers, what should be the term over there? If I print it, if I do a print over here, let's say so system.out.println, and I'm giving here that, let's say, next number, right? Next number, and I'm concatenating it with some values. I'm concatenating it with some value and removing this ln from here, so that it could print only in one line with some space, right? So right now what will happen, that it is all inside the for loop, right? So what I have to do, this next number will be considered as a third variable, and this is first and second variable. So what can we do? We can swap the numbers. How to swap the numbers? Just use the simple funda that a equals to b, and now b equals to, let's say, next number. So that's how this can give me the print of these numbers. But before that, we are not printing 0 and 1. So before the for loop, we can do a system.out.println, and here we can print a plus, let's concatenate it with some space, and then concatenate it with number b, and then concatenate again with some space. So that's how it can give us 0 and 1. Also, just remove this ln so that all the numbers will come in the same line. Let me put the ln for you for a while so that you can see why I'm removing it. If I will run the program right now, you can see the number got printed, but they are in the different lines. So what we want to print them in same line. So remove this one, and if you will run it right now, what will happen, it will give you all the numbers in the one line, and the total number that is going to print here will be decided by this number. So if you will put it as 5, it will give you only 5 sequence of the Fibonacci series. So what can you do? Either you can put this number as a variable in the beginning, and then you can change the variable value, and it will be decided by the value of that variable, that how many numbers you want to print there. And other than that, it is all good to do like that. Let's say let's have the example. If I have integer, let's say n, and I'm giving it as a value of 20, and now instead of this 5, I'm putting here just n, and if I will run my program, it will give me the 20 numbers. What I have to do, I have just to change the number, and it will give me up to that range. So I hope it will help. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for the subscription who already did.